Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're going to look at how to export an Excel range to a text file. First, go to the MoxyDraw website and copy the VBA code. Then open Excel. If the Developer tab is not present, right-click on the ribbon to customize it. Then check the Developer ribbon to activate it. Let's move on to the Visual Basic Editor. First, create a new module and paste the code. If you wish to rename your new module, press F4 and rename it. Here are the code instructions. For the macro to work, you need two ranges. One for the file name and one for the export range. First, create the range for the file name. Then create the export range. Now, let's create the export button. Right-click to modify the button's properties, allowing you to rename it and change its caption. Double-click on the newly created button to assign it a macro. As the macro is already written, return to the code and copy the command line. Now let's create another button, the Open File button. And assign it the already written Open File method at the bottom of your new module. We can create a final button to clear the contents of the export range, if required. Now let's see if it works. Perfect. Let's do another test with several cells this time. Now, if you don't want to deal with all that, you can return to the MoxyDraw website to download the Excel file, already created and formatted. As this file comes from the internet, macros will be locked. Here's a quick tip to unlock it. But only if you have complete confidence in the file. To ensure that it won't damage your computer, you should always check the VBA code before unlocking a file. Thanks for watching.